Hey there, Brain Explorers. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of neurons, neurotransmitters, and all the tiny yet mighty players that keep our brains busy, thinking, feeling, and even dreaming. Buckle up. It's going to be a lighthearted ride. Let's start with the star players. Neurotransmitters, imagine them as the brains of the messengers passing notes across the synaptic net. We've got dopamine, the feel-good neurotransmitter, often associated with pleasure and reward. It's also crucial in Parkinson's disease, which happens when dopamine-producing neurons in the substantia nigra start to fade away. That's why some treatments involving dopa, a precursor to dopamine, help keep those neurons happy and healthy. And there's serotonin, the happiness hormone, which helps regulate mood, sleep, and even appetite. It's serotonin dips. You might feel a bit down, but luckily many antidepressants work by boosting its levels. Moving on, norepinephrine is our alertness buddy, giving us that adrenaline rush when we need to be alert or stressed. And epinephrine, that's just adrenaline in disguise. Now, let's not forget glutamate, the brain's common excitatory neurotransmitter essential for learning and memory. Conversely, GABA is the calming neurotransmitter, turning down the brain's excitatory to keep things balanced. Gamma-aminobutyric acid neurons are like the brain's peacekeepers, corrupting everything from spiraling into chaos. Speaking of neurons, they come in different shapes and sizes: unipolar, bipolar, pseudo-unipolar, and multipolar, each with their own special roles. They have dendrites to receive signals, a perikaryon, or cell body to process, and an axon to send messages far and wide. Axons transport these signals via axonal transport, a bit like a busy highway. At the nerve terminal, neurotransmitters are released into synapses. Think of them as tiny communication ducts where they can connect with dendrites or cell bodies of neighboring neurons. Neurons don't work alone. We are the supporting crew. Astrocytes are like the brain's caretakers, maintaining the environment. Oligodendrocytes insulate axons with myelin. Microglia serve as the immune cells, cleaning up debris. Neurotransmitters can be classified in categories: means like dopamine, norepinephrine, and serotonin, amino acids such as GABA, glycine, and glutamate, peptides like substance P, beta aminophores, and neuropeptide Y, and even gases like nitric oxide and carbon monoxide. The brain itself is divided into regions, each with its own special functions. Cerebral cortex, with its frontal, parietal, occipital, and temporal lobes, handle everything from reasoning the sensory process. The prefrontal cortex is the boss of decision making, while the primary cortex is the frontal lobes controls movement. The primary submental sensory cortex and the parietal lobes process touch and proprioception. That's quite a tour of the bustling, intricate universe inside our heads, brains, complex, dynamic, marvelous, organized organ. Thanks for joining me on this adventure. Until next time, keep your neurons firing and your neurotransmitters happy.